welcome back to beautiful Haulover Inlet and Boats versus Haulover. Remaining machine take on Mother Nature down here at Haulover Inlet in Miami. Today's gonna be a little bit of a rough one. We've got about 15 knots worth of wind and outgoing tide. Going to be interesting to see how our captains fare. And this, of course, is going to bring us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, the boats are going to toss an Everglades in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get on the board first. But let's go. Round one, ring the bell as our crew makes their way. What? Man, they didn't even get moving yet, and they've already stuffed it multiple times. Cap has found himself in a little bit of a pickle here. They've got to get on those throttles, trim those motors up, and get that bow up, or they're going to wind up with the free Haulover deck runs the whole way out. So finally, Cap, it looks like, leans into the throttles just a little bit, but I think Haulover's got him intimidated. It's a big day, and they are just taking stuffing after stuffing after stuffing, and now he's really going to struggle to get this one up on plane. With the amount of water they took over the bow here, this hull's got to be getting full. Not the hull, but even just the cockpit area and the deck of the boat. Sure, it's self-draining, but it doesn't drain that fast, I don't think, compared to the amount of water they just took over the front. So you can see it's riding low in the water still. The Cap tries to pick it up a little bit and get the bow up so they don't stuff it anymore. But unfortunately for this crew, the damage has been done. And this crew will wind up taking a loss for the boats here in the first round. And that's going to bring us to the second round of our contest. And here in the second round, the boats are going to toss an Outerlimits in the ring to see if they can get this one tied back up. But let's go round two as our crew starts to make their exit. Here we can see they look okay so far. They're keeping that bow high and going to try and ride it out. But this boat wants to eat. They want to get this thing up on plane, let it get on top of the water, and let the speed do its thing as they start to work their way out. And here you can see they do exactly that. Cap opens her up, gets her up on top of the waves, and she's big enough she's just skipping along the top for the most part. And all of a sudden this crew makes it out the mouth, out into the rollers, without any real issues whatsoever as Cap opens her up, stretches her legs, and it's nothing like watching these big power boats come out, man. These things are absolutely amazing, and you know, it's always interesting because they always just want to send it. That's what this boat's designed to do, but Cap made the right move here, took it a little bit easy and just got the boat on top, and will wind up taking a win for the boats here in the second round. And that's going to bring us to the third round of our contest. We are now tied at 1 apiece. And here in the third round, the boats are going to go ahead and toss Intrepid in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get back ahead in this one. But let's get round 3 started as our crew starts to make their way out of Haulover. Right here you can see they're going with the slow roll approach, and that has not paid off for most people well yet today. And it's not going to pay off here. They wind up stuffing it big time as we get the double stuff right there at the end. And this crew is in trouble early. So far, that approach has not worked for anybody. Coming out of the mouth slow without getting up on top of it a little bit, or at least trimming up heavy and maybe plowing to get that bow up. Everybody's been stuffing it all day long. So the rest of our captains, they're going to have to work on this one as Haulover's going to wind up taking another win here in the third round. Which is going to bring us to the fourth round of our contest. Haulover holding on to the 2-1 edge, and here in the fourth round, the boats are going to toss a pursuit in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get this one tied back up. But let's go. This is a big boy. Cap's got her moving up on plane. Look at how high he's trying to carry this bow through, and thank God he was, because right there, if it had been any lower, he'd have wound up stuffing it from the wake from the larger boat in front of him. But he's going to wind up overtaking them, blasting their way right into the mouth of Haulover, and this crew's easily going to take a win for the boats here in the fourth round, getting the boats back in the contest. As this is going to take us to the fifth and final round of our contest, we are now tied at 2 apiece. Here in the fifth round, the boats are going to toss a Cobia in the ring to see if they can go ahead and close this one out and take the win for the boats. But let's go round 5 as our crew's working their way out. And we've got some bow riders. On a day like today, this is not a good idea. Especially our guy right there holding the camera. It looks like an expensive camera, and he's like, yeah, he thought he was going to get some great shots. He's not. You're not going to get any shots coming out in the bow of this boat on a day like today. And Cap's actually moving a little bit, especially to have people up front. He's got the boat not on plane, but I mean, he's probably still doing 15 knots or so as he's trying to work his way out, trying to keep that bow up, and they are straight blasting through these waves. This is unbelievable. And one of the guys quickly realizes what a mistake he made by being up there, tries to work his way back. The other guy's down on the side as well, and it kept spinning 360s now. What in the world is going on here? This is an interesting situation. I mean, you can tell it was a rough ride for our crews up here. They wound up taking some water over the bow. I know my guy's regretting that with his camera up front now, but man, it is an absolute brutal beatdown by Haulover as this crew tried to work their way out. Cap wasn't doing him any favors though either. Captain was kind of all over the place. He was a little unsure of what he wanted to do, but all of a sudden does the U-turn right here, spins it back around and keeps working his way out. But unfortunately, with everybody getting worked over like this, I have no choice but to go ahead and give this round to Haulover, and that means Haulover's going to take their win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.